Hello, welcome once again to IOCODES, and this is the complete beginner series in Java. Now, if you are coming across this channel for the first time, or this is your first time of looking at an introduction to programming in Java and this channel, please I would like you to subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up, and also ping the bell icon so that whenever I upload updates, you always get notified. Let's get started. We looked at incrementing and decrementing operators in Java in the previous video. And in this video, we looked at assignment operators. So we've seen just the basic type of assigning values to variables, and that is with the use of equal to. However, we want to update the value. Are there other ways we can carry out this update? And we'll be looking at those in this video. Now, starting from the very basic, we'll create a variable of type int, and we'll call that variable first number, and give it a value of 6. Now I'm going to update the value stored in first number, but I'll use a different type of operator to do it. It's still with the equal to operator, but just check it out. So we have first number times equals 2. So I'm going to print out the value of first number, first scenario. And I'll say before using the assignment operator, value was first number. And I'll copy this statement and paste it right below this assignment statement, and I'll say after using the star equals operator, the value was first number again. And I'm going to run this program Ctrl Shift F10. Is a keyboard shortcut to run a class in Java, particular class running. And you see, before using the operator, the value was 6. After using the assignment operator, the value was 20. Now take note of this operator. It consists of a multiplication operator and the equals operator together. So what this simply does is that from the very first case, we have first number is equal to 6. Now in this scenario, we are saying multiply first number with this value that we are equating it to. So we have multiplication and equal to. Now with what we have seen and what I stated in a previous video, I said there are other ways to increment the value of a variable. So we can go on and say first number plus equals to 1. And this is another way of incrementing the value of a variable with just 1. So previously we saw how to do that with the simple plus plus and the pre-increment and the post-increment operator. Now we are looking at how to do it with another type of assignment operator. So we've seen how to run the multiplication, and we also seen how to increment the value using this assignment operator. So you can do a lot of things with this kind of basic assignment operators, and yeah, that is it for the assignment operators. So before I call this program off, I'm going to print out the value of first number just so you see. After using the new increment assignment operator, the value was just say first number, and then I run the program. Just so you see, after using the new increment assignment operator, the value was 13. So the beauty the beauty of this particular assignment operator is that you can then walk around and tweak your program a little bit. So what this operator simply implies, first number equals to first number times of 2. That is for this first scenario. For the second one, is also first number equals to first number plus 1, or first number plus plus. So if you are just doing a basic incrementing of your variable, you can just stick with the first number plus plus, which is the post increment operator. However, if you want to do, like, you want to step in range, like for instance you want to increase your value by 2 or 4, I pretty much think going with this particular assignment operator is the best in that sort of situation. So to increment first number by 3, I'll just say plus equal to 3 instead of repeating the post increment 3 times. So that is how this assignment operator work. So we can do a couple of things with it. We've only seen multiplication and addition. We can also do division and subtraction. So I'll show you both of them, and then we are going to end this tutorial. So I want first number to be equal to first number divided by 2, and I want to print it out. So I'll say after applying the division assignment statement, the value is just first number, and I'll copy the whole of this, and yes, I'll paste it in it. And instead of this division, I want to use the subtraction symbol. After applying the minus assignment statement, the value is plus number. So it's going to just walk around through the sequence. So I believe we can walk around with the program too. So at first number is 6, and this scenario, first number is multiplying first number to give us a new value, and that will be 12. Now we are adding 3, so that will be 15. Now we are dividing by 2. Now there's something I want you to take into consideration in this instance. So because we are dividing by 2 and we are not typecasting the value of 2 to double, in addition, our first number is of type int. 15 divided by 2 is 7.5. But since it is of type int, it's going to discard the real part and just leave us with the integer part, which is 7 in this case. And when we do first number minus equals 2, it will take 2 out of 7, and it's going to return a value of 5. Now this particular situation here leads us to what is known as typecasting. To fix this kind of issue, we have to typecast, and we'll be looking at typecasting in the next video. So I'll run the program and we'll see what will be printed out on our console. So yes, like I stated, we have 6, and we have 12, and we have 15, and 15 divided by 2 is 7.5, but we discarded the real part from the value and left out with 7, and then 7 minus 5 is 2. So this is how these assignment operators work. And yes, we have pretty much come to the end of this particular video. Please take note, these are just the basic building blocks of program. We'll be working with all of these basic information in future videos. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also give this video a thumb up and ping that bell icon. And peace out. I'll catch you in the next one.